Golden milk is a traditional Indian drink that people make with turmeric, which gives it a yellow or gold hue. People also call golden milk turmeric milk. To make golden milk, a person must warm up nondairy milk with turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and other spices. Many of these spices contain antioxidants or have anti-inflammatory properties. In this video, learn about the benefits of golden milk and how to make it. Benefits. The potential benefits of golden milk include reducing inflammation. Golden milk's ingredients, which are ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric, contain anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation can help prevent or manage conditions including heart disease, cancer, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease and metabolic syndrome. A person may reduce inflammation by adding golden milk to their regular diet. For example, a small study of 45 participants showed that consuming 500 milligrams of curcumin was as effective as taking 50 milligrams of a common arthritis medication at reducing inflammation. Curcumin is the active component in turmeric, preventing cell damage. Curcumin also has antioxidant properties. Some studies have shown that antioxidants can help a person's body repair cell damage and help reduce the risk of many illnesses. For example, one 2015 study found that antioxidants in foods and spices have a positive effect on reducing cell damage. Improving mood. There is evidence to suggest that curcumin can help improve mood in people who consume it regularly. A small study consisting of 60 participants found that taking curcumin supplements could help reduce symptoms in people with major depressive disorder. Those taking both curcumin and antidepressant drugs saw the most significant improvement. However, more research is necessary to determine its efficacy and the right doses. As the authors of the study also said that the results were not statistically significant. Supporting brain function and improving memory. Some older studies have suggested that turmeric may help improve brain function. But more recent research is necessary to fully prove its effectiveness. Ginger and cinnamon, the ingredients in golden milk, have shown some promise in animal studies. For example, one study looked at cinnamon's effect on preserving specific proteins related to Parkinson's disease. These proteins are protective against its symptoms, such as memory loss and tremors. The study showed promising results. But studies in human are necessary to fully show how effective cinnamon is for improving brain function. Preventing heart disease. The three major ingredients in golden milk have all shown some promise in helping reduce the risk of heart disease. However, the studies tend to be small and limited. Also, the amount of each ingredient present in golden milk may not be enough to fully show the benefits found in research. One small study showed that those taking curcuminoids had a lower incident rate of myocardial infarction events, such as heart attack, after coronary artery bypass surgery. The rate fell from 30% in the placebo group to about 13% in the curcuminoid group. More research is still needed to prove these findings, however, possibly reducing the risk of cancer. Older studies on ginger, cinnamon, and curcumin show that they may have some effects on reducing the risk of cancer. It is unlikely that the small amounts of these spices in golden milk would have an impact on cancer risk. However, more research is necessary to find definitive results. Lowering blood sugar levels. Similarly to possibly reducing the risk of cancer, more research is necessary to show that the ingredients in golden milk can help lower blood sugar. Some research has found that consuming ginger may help reduce fasting blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. A 2017 double-blind placebo-controlled trial supported these results. The scientists divided 50 participants with type 2 diabetes into two groups. For 10 weeks, one group took 2,000 milligrams of ginger per day, while the other group took a placebo. At the end of the trial, the researchers found that the ginger had significantly reduced the participants' fasting blood sugar levels, boosting the immune system. People tend to use golden milk to help fight common illnesses, such as the cold. One review of studies found that curcumin contains antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help a person better fight infections. Ginger and cinnamon are also common home remedies for colds and flus. Improving bone health. Many enriched plant-based milks contain vitamin D and calcium, which are very beneficial to bone health. Calcium is a necessary nutrient for maintaining bone health. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium from foods. People tend to make golden milk using non-dairy milks such as coconut milk. For this reason, people should be sure to find enriched versions that contain additional nutrients to gain this benefit. Aiding digestion. The ginger present in golden milk may help aid digestion. Ginger is a common home remedy for nausea and vomiting.